What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, I want to talk about the best work from home business 2026 and how to turn $35 into $750 every Friday. Now, a lot of people think that you need to invest $900, $2,000 in order to make money online. I'm here to tell you that they are wrong. You can take a simple little $35 business and turn it into any amount of income that you want if you are willing to do what you have to do. And even in 2026 right now, the game has changed. You don't need inventory like you do with network marketing or MLM. You don't need a college degree in order to make this work, and you don't need to risk your life saving. So in this video, I'm going to show you the blueprint, of how you can take $35 startup and turn it into $750 weekly, providing that you are willing to do what you have to do in order to make it work. So if you're tired of the guru scheme that asks for $2,000 up front, this is the antidote for you, because I have a system for you that is completely done for you. The only thing you have to do is block out some time. I would say at least 30 minutes per day, okay, to get eyeballs on this, to get traffic to this, so you can start generating leads and start having some success. This is a real simple business. It's real easy. If you can just share a link, there's no reason you cannot be successful with this opportunity. So what we have right here is what we call the HBA app, and inside of the HBA app is the Let's Go. This is personal development, gratitude, meditating and praying, purpose and affirmations, visualize, planning your day, journal, all of that, reading, exercise, stretch, and today's mantra. So you get access to this. Also, you will get access to the funnel builder, and in the funnel builder you will get this funnel builder is $25 a month, but you earn $20 residual income from it. You have all of the training over here that you need, but don't worry about it. You do not have to create any funnels. You don't have to set up funnels. You don't have to import funnels. None of that, because the funnel system that I'm going to show you, which is called the turnkey residual income system, is already set up and ready to go. The only thing you have to do is grab your link and start sharing it. So you earn on this as well as the Let's Go. Now the Let's Go, if I go back to it, it's $10 a month. You earn $8 residual income from it. On the premium is $125 per month, but you earn $100 residual income on it. That's why we call it the turnkey residual income system. I like to call it the triple residual income system. Along with the premium, you're going to get some AI tools up here that you can use, prompt, write AI, image generator, and smart posts, including all of the traffic and conversion training that you get down through here, that you see right here. All of this free methods, okay? You're going to have paid traffic methods, and we're soon going to have training in here for Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, and all of that. So we're working on that as well for those who want to speed up the process and not do it free. And really, free is not free if you're taking time to create content. That costs you as well. But this is another thing that you're going to get access to. And if you want, you can get the Financial Literacy Academy, which is going to help you on your taxes and all of that stuff right there. In other words, other ways that you can invest your money and start making money, have your money making babies for you. Okay, so this is the entire system right here. You get live coaching as well, and you can get access to the Freedom Fest. You can go in person or you can watch it online. That's totally up to you. But I want to show you right now that this does work, because if you work it just simply works if you're willing to follow the premium training, okay, that is in here. But we're going to get you started on the free method now, show you that this works. This is my Google account. I'm going to refresh this page. And as you can see right here, the date is 2/19/2026. $724 will be deposited into my bank account, available for me to start using. So does this work? Yes, it works if you're willing to put in the work. Okay, it's just that simple. So let's go back over here. What you're going to do is we have a system totally set up and dedicated for you with your affiliate link. You can come to the affiliate section up here at the top, and click on it, or you can come over here to the sidebar and click on affiliate links right here as well. All of the affiliate links that you need are in here, but you only want to focus on one affiliate link, and this is this link right here called the Turnkey Capture Page. That's going to be your link. You can add tracking to it if you're doing it on Facebook, YouTube videos, email blast, TikTok, Instagram, wherever you are doing it, you can do it right here to have your tracking, so you know where your leads are coming from and if you're getting sales from that particular platform that you are using. So we go back to the affiliate tab. The first thing you want to do to have a successful home-based business is you want to actually watch the training and follow the training. This video right here is going to show you step by step how to literally start getting eyeballs and leads on to your link without you having to come out of pocket with any money. We give you the scripts and everything right here. Everything you need is right there for that. And if you can come down here and you can also find your turnkey system right here. If you want to set up a domain name, that was one of the issues, a lot of people were having with the old system here in HBA, was they had to, if they purchased their domain name from Namecheap or GoDaddy or, wherever, Cloudflare, they had to connect their domain name together. Well, that is no longer an issue because you can click right here, and it's going to show you all of the domain name that are available with your name already inside of it. The only thing you would have to do is purchase the domain, and it's going to be automatically populated to this link that you see right down here. So they're taking a few minutes to find the domain, and there you go. So you got richardharristononline.com, Freedom with Richard Harrison. So whatever your name is, it's going to populate that. If you don't like any of these names, you can search for a different domain by clicking right here, type in the domain and search it. And then the only thing you have to do is click purchase. Once you purchase it, it's going to automatically populate right here where you see the turnkey capture page. It's going to populate right there and you are ready to go. The only thing you have to do is click the copy button and boom, now you have your link. So now let me show you the exact system that you're going to get that is a done for you system. Remember, you do not have to create the opt-in page. You do not have to create a thank you page. You do not have to connect a domain. You do not have to do any email follow-up or anything like that. However, if you want your leads, I'm not going to show them right here, but if you notice right here, if you want your lead, you can download your lead, export your lead, and put them into an autoresponder if you want to. We have a 10 or 11 day email follow-up series. Once someone goes through that series, they are put in another list inside of here for you to export if you want to. That's totally up to you. So you get your lead. HBA will not email them anything else. Those are your leads. They are yours to do with what you want. You see, I have 50 in here right now. So you get that. So the page you're going to get, once you grab your link right here, your page is going to look exactly like this, called the Turnkey Residual Income System, where 80% of every dollar comes back to you. Get your complete business system free overview. New AI helps you close sales. Try it free on the next page. So over here in the right hand corner, there's a little bubble down there. There's a little bubble down there on when you go to the page. There's going to be a bubble down there, and we go to it right here on this bubble. If you click on it, this is where you can ask Sage anything that you want to. Sage will answer any question that you have. She's going to do the same thing for people that you send to this system as well. And she's going to do the closing for you. So if someone is ready to join, she will do the closing for you. And people have made sales simply because someone came to this page and asked questions and she answered them and they joined. So what you're going to do, You're going to get this page. It's already done for you. So you don't have to worry about that. Grab your link and start sharing it. Once you do that, you have this page right here as well. This is the VSL for the page. Paul is going to explain everything. If someone really wants to join, they're going to read everything on this page right here, which I highly recommend that you do as well, so you will know what it is that you are getting. Okay, so you can get started right, off the right way. You're going to come down through here and they're going to read this page just like you're going to do. They can watch videos here. Okay. See how many affiliate commissions have been paid out since February 19, 2026. Okay. This shows how much residual income you can earn on each product. This shows the amount of residual income that you can earn. Okay. And you're going to come down here. It talks about each of the products that I showed you. The funnel builder, the Let's Go app, HBA Premium. Has video that explains that and everything. You're going to have your image right here. Okay, it's all coded to you, and someone can get started for $35 by clicking here, filling out the information. If they want to see the details, they can click on the details of what they get and everything like that. We can close that, view the details of the Let's Go, close that, details of the funnel builder, close that, fill out this information, and boom, they are good to go. Now, what I want you to do is actually click the link in the description, come to my page, put in your name and your best email. Once you do that, click instant access, come to this page right here and actually read everything on this page, watch the video up top. Watch the video up top here, read everything on this page so you will know what it is that you're getting. There is a 3-day money back guarantee. So if you want it and 2 people, okay, 2 referrals, you're in positive cash flow. Okay, you are good to go. That's the only thing you have to do. A lot of people think when you talk about working from a home, they think you're talking about network marketing or MLM. No, this is affiliate marketing. Okay, this is all it is, and this is all you have to do. Okay, with this system right here, is built and done for you. Remember, $724. You can earn up to $750 weekly or more. That's totally up to you, or less. It's totally up to you. This is all monthly residual income for the work that you have done. As long as someone remains a member, you will earn that income. So what I want you to do is click the button that is below this video, come to this page, enter your name, your best email. Okay, click get instant access, come back over here, watch this video right here, and then just go through this page and get signed up. Ask any question that you have right here and you're good to go. Then you're going to get access to this exact page right here, this entire system. You're going to have the Let's Go app, the funnel builder, and 2 weeks free of premium to get you going in the right direction. Even with premium, you're going to have access to some other things. So if I come over here to let me see, settings, you're going to get access. If I come down through here, multiple streams of income setting, you can add other income streams in here as well. Only thing you have to do is get an affiliate link for them, load them up in here, and you're good to go. Aweber, GetResponse, Voomly, vidIQ, RoboFarm, Acorn, Descript, Bunny Stream, Solo Ad, Udemy Solo Ad, Active Campaign, Moonsend, Pebbly. All of these are extra income streams that when someone joins and they get this, you earning extra income in here as well. So go ahead on, click the link in the description to get started. Come to this page, fill it out. I'm here to help you. When you do, you're going to also, and let me show you this, you're also going to see a sponsor message setting, which you can set up as well. You're going to see a message from me. And if I preview it, you're able to put your video here just like this, leave your message here for your person to read. They're going to be able to read that. And on top of that, this eliminates you having to have to do email, because you can come up here to messages here and you can message all of your new members right within the system. Okay, so you're able to do that within the system. You don't have to send an email through Gmail. So once again, click the link, fill out your name, your best email, get instant access, and you're also going to receive a free ebook that you can read to learn more about this awesome done for you system and how you can get started with affiliate marketing. That book will be coded to you as well. Come to this page, get signed up. I'm looking forward to working with you. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.